Did you know that your money could be making more money for you, even while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, the secret behind achieving financial freedom without the 9-to-5 grind. Today, we're exploring the top passive income ideas for 2024, tailored for everyone from beginners to seasoned investors. Whether you have $100 or $10,000 to start with, get ready to unlock strategies that could transform your financial future. Let's build wealth the smart way. Let's start with the basics. What is passive income? Imagine earning money while you're watching your favorite TV show, sleeping, or even on vacation. That's what passive income does for you. It's money that keeps coming in without you having to work day and night for it. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about smart ways to make your money work for you, even when you're not looking. Why is passive income so cool? Well, it's like having a backup plan for your wallet. Instead of just earning from a regular job, passive income gives you extra cash on the side. This could mean more fun money, savings for a dream vacation, or even a cushion for unexpected expenses. It's about having the freedom to live your life without worrying about every penny. But let's clear up a few things. Making passive income isn't magic. It usually takes some effort at the start, like setting up a blog, buying property to rent out, or investing some money. And it's not totally hands-off forever. You might need to check in on things now and then. The key is patience and being smart about where you invest your time and money. As we dig into the top passive income ideas for 2024, remember it's all about finding what works for you. Whether you've got a little to invest or a lot, there are ways to make passive income a part of your life. So, let's get ready to explore those ideas and take a big step towards making your money work harder for you. All right, let's dive into some low-investment passive income ideas that are perfect if you're just starting out or if you're cautious about where you put your money. These strategies are all about dipping your toes into the passive income pool without needing a big stash of cash up front. First up, let's talk about earning interest from savings. Now, this might sound basic, but with the right high-yield savings account or a peer-to-peer lending platform, your money can start working for you with very minimal effort. It's all about finding a safe place to park your cash where it'll grow better than in a typical low-interest account. This approach is super low risk, making it an ideal starting point for your passive income journey. Next, there's the world of dividend-paying stocks. Investing in the stock market might sound a bit intimidating, but dividends are one way to earn passive income without needing to be a Wall Street expert. By investing a small amount in stable companies that pay dividends, you can start receiving regular payments. Think of it as being a silent partner in some of your favorite companies, where you get a share of the profits just for holding on to their stocks. Lastly, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income with a relatively low upfront investment. If you have a blog, a social media following, or even just a lot of friends online, you can start promoting products or services. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it leverages the content or the network you already have. You can start with topics or products you're passionate about, making it not only profitable but also enjoyable. These low investment ideas are just the tip of the iceberg, but they're accessible, manageable, and a great way to get your feet wet in the world of passive income. Remember, the key is to start small, learn as you go, and gradually build your portfolio of income streams. So, are you ready to see your money grow while you focus on living your life? Let's make it happen. Moving on from our low investment strategies, let's step up our game and explore some medium investment passive income ideas. These are perfect for those who are ready to invest a bit more and are comfortable taking on a slightly higher level of risk for potentially greater returns. First in line is rental income from real estate. This is one of the oldest and most tried and true methods of generating passive income. Whether it's purchasing a single-family home, a condo, or a small apartment building, the idea is to rent it out and let the monthly rental payments contribute to your income stream. It does require an initial investment to acquire the property and some ongoing management, but with the right location and tenants, it can be a steady source of income. Plus, you could benefit from property value appreciation over time. Then there's the world of creating and selling digital products, like online courses. If you're skilled or knowledgeable in a particular area, why not package that knowledge into an online course? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to reach potential students. The upfront effort involves creating high-quality content, but once your course is live, it can sell over and over again without much additional work from you, making it a fantastic medium investment option. Another avenue is starting a print-on-demand business. This model allows you to sell custom-designed merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and more without holding inventory. You create the designs, set up a shop on platforms like Shopify paired with a print-on-demand service, and they handle the rest, from printing to shipping to the customer. It's a great way to monetize your creativity or capitalize on niche markets with specific interests. These medium investment ideas require a bit more effort and capital upfront compared to the low investment strategies, but they also offer the potential for a higher return on investment. They're perfect for those looking to actively expand their passive income portfolio while still managing the balance between risk and reward. So, if you're ready to take that next step and invest a bit more into your future financial freedom, these options could be your ticket to even greater passive income success. All right, for those of you who are ready to dive into the deep end and have the resources to back it up, let's talk about high investment passive income ideas. These strategies typically require a more significant upfront investment, but have the potential to generate substantial passive income streams, making them well worth considering for the serious investor. A prime example of a high investment passive income opportunity is investing in commercial real estate through real estate crowdfunding platforms. This approach allows you to pool your resources with other investors to fund large projects, from office buildings to apartment complexes, without needing to manage the properties yourself. The potential for returns here is significant, but it's important to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved, as the stakes are higher. Next up, launching an e-commerce store can be an incredibly lucrative venture, albeit with a steeper initial investment. The key here is to find a unique product niche or create a strong brand that stands out in the crowded online marketplace. With the right strategy, an e-commerce store can generate significant sales around the clock thanks to global access to your products. Be prepared to invest in inventory, website development, and marketing to get your store off the ground. Lastly, investing in startups can be a game changer for your passive income portfolio. This high-risk, high-reward option involves providing capital to early-stage companies with strong growth potential. While not all startups succeed, those that do can offer exponential returns on your initial investment. It's crucial to diversify your investments in this category and to thoroughly vet each opportunity, often requiring access to exclusive investing networks or platforms. These high-investment passive income ideas are not for the faint of heart. They require significant financial commitment, a good understanding of the market, and sometimes a bit of patience before you see returns. However, for those with the means and the willingness to take calculated risks, these strategies can significantly boost your income and accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Remember, with greater investment comes the potential for greater rewards. Are you ready to take that leap? All right, let's break down some simple yet powerful tips to help you succeed with passive income. Think of these as your secret weapons in making more money without working around the clock. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine if you only had one toy and it broke. You'd have nothing to play with, right? It's the same with money. If you invest in lots of different things, like a savings account, some stocks, and maybe a rental place, you spread the risk. That way, if one doesn't do so well, you've got others to keep your money growing. Be patient. Growing your money is like planting a seed. You can't just plant it and expect a tree the next day. It takes time. So once you've set up a way to make passive income, give it time to start working and making money. Don't rush to pull your money out or give up too soon. Use your wins to win more. When you start making extra money from your investments, think about using some of that money to invest in more things. This way, your money keeps growing faster, like rolling a snowball down a hill. Keep learning. The world keeps changing, and so do ways to make money. Try to learn as much as you can about different ways to make passive income. Read books, watch videos, or even talk to people who've done it. The more you know, the better choices you can make. Check in and tweak things. Every once in a while, take a look at how your investments are doing. Sometimes you might need to change things up. Maybe something isn't working as well as you hoped, or maybe you find a new opportunity that's even better. Remember, making passive income is all about setting things up so you can make money without always having to work for it. It's not always easy, and it doesn't happen overnight, but with these tips, you're on the right track to making your money work for you. Let's keep it simple and smart, and watch our money grow together.